Hello. Yes, it's been weird. I have been away from YouTube for a while. But what I do know, I'm back now. What do you think, ladies? Did I become more sexier? Anyway, today we're going to be trying out the Taco Pringles. I bought these because I was looking for something new, and Taco Pringles, weird thing. So let's get into it. Oh wow, these don't smell like tacos at all. I smell a little bit of lettuce. Oh dang, they kind of have that smell. Not really. Alright. Gotta give it a lick. Oh, it does taste. Let's just try it. Oh my god. Just like halfway like a taco, like in between a Taco Bell taco. I don't taste the lettuce. I do taste a lot of flavors. Hold on. Give me one more. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, these taste like Taco Bell's tacos if you took out the lettuce. These taste really good. These taste like tacos. Yep. Not false advertising. Wow. Good chips. Sorry. I'm going to end this video off here. Sorry I've been away from YouTube for so long. I'll try to get back at it. And hey, Easy E-Bikes. West Colfax, the place you want to be for a bike. I'll see y'all later. I got some cool videos in the works. Trampoline videos. Maybe videos going to a lake. Maybe I can actually get sponsored so I don't have to worry about copyright. So I can do a reaction to Boy With You's last album. Please, anyone out there, sponsor me. Okay, I'm joking. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Easy bikes. Get a bike. West Colfax. We're one of the best.